Another consequence of the work from home movement in business. This is going to be powerful. People will find out that they no longer need to rent office space to start a business. You got people who work at home. You don't need to buy any equipment. The employee is providing the equipment with their own laptop. They're going to have to buy their own printers. What do you need to start a business? Hardly anything. This is going to make an explosion in people opening up their own businesses, because now the cost of opening a business is probably going to be maybe 10% of what it was before. Now people who have ideas about businesses can execute them because they don't need office space, or they need the most minimal office space. They don't need equipment because all the equipment is owned by the employees at home. Explosion in new businesses.